from Chennai. I've been learning Bharatanatyam for more than 17 years. It all started when I was 5 years old, and my first guru is Srimati Geeta from DAE Township, Kalpakam. From then, I moved to Sri K. Mohanan, a faculty of Kalakshetra, from under whom I trained for around 3 to 4 years, and then I moved on to another guru, Kalaimamani, Dr. Priya Jayaraman of Vipanchi Natyalaya, who is my current guru. So, Vipanchi Natyalaya was found by late Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. And in the year 2009, I did my Arangetram under his presence, in which is a wonderful memory that can never be forgotten. And in the year 2014, I got a beautiful opportunity to teach kids at Bharati Vidya Bhavan. So there were around 50 to 60 kids, and I was given this opportunity to teach them. Um, we also had a lot of annual festivals where the kids were allowed to perform, and I helped them to do their maiden performance, Arangetrams and Salanga Pujai. All this was again under the guidance of my guru, Dr. Priya Jayaraman. And I've performed in the sabhas and art festivals that are held in and around Chennai. I've also been a part of this freelancing group called as Atma Academy of Dance, run by Sri Madhusudanan, a former student of Kalakshetra. So where I got a lot of performances to explore and a lot of genres to explore and be like tripped in and around Chennai and India. That was a very nice experience as well. And in 2013, I got this award, Yuvakala Vipanchi, which was conferred on me by Vipanchi Natyalaya, and it was again presented by the musical legend Dr. Balamurali Krishna. In the year 2017, I got an award called as Nritya Bharati, which was again given by Alangudi Namasankirtana Trust. Alangudi Namasankirtana Trust runs Radha Kalyanam every year. It's been happening for more than 75 years, and I am so fortunate enough to be a part of their team and give performances for around 10 to 11 years. And I'm definitely feeling grateful for it. I'm also quite passionate about public speaking, and around 6 to 7 years back, I started doing a lot of compiling and stage shows. At college level, I've hosted technical conferences and national level conferences, and also been a part of a lot of Vipanchi's art festivals as Master of Ceremonies. And currently, I am a member of Toastmasters International, so where we get an opportunity to meet a lot of like-minded people and learn a lot in the field of public speaking. And moving on, basically, I am an engineering graduate, and currently I'm working as a software engineer in Tata Consultancy Services Chennai, which I've been doing for more than 5 years. And apart from all these, I'm very passionate about music and teaching as well. I feel teaching is something which makes me learn more, because in my tenure with Bharati Vidya Bhavan from 2014 to 2018-19, I've learned a lot of things from kids, and primarily being the patience and the inquisitiveness to know new things. So the fact that anybody of any age can learn dance, there is no certain age limit or age group. All that you need is that patience and a little passion for learning this art form. That's because I've seen ladies who are 80 years and who are so excited to do their performances and arangetrams. So that's something which is very inspiring and made me think that anybody can learn dance. So there is no age limit for you to learn, and I'm so excited to be a part of this journey and bring this culturally rich art to all your homes through your kids or through you. Looking forward to meet you all. Thank you. So we'll be beginning our classes generally with a Guru Shloka, a normal Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. It goes like this: Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Gurave Namaha. After this, we do the Dhyana Shlokam. So the Dhyana Shlokam is basically done to invoke the blessings of Lord Shiva. When it comes to Bharatanatyam, Lord Shiva is considered to be the Lord of dancing. So before we start our learning process, it's always good to do a Dhyana Slokam and seek his blessings. And this is how it goes. Ankikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam Aharyam Chandra Tarati Tvam Numa Shiva. And the actions are Ankikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam Aharyam Chandra Tarati Tvam Numa Satvika Shiva. So the meaning of this Dhyana Slokam is Ankikam Bhuvanam. Shiva's body is considered as the whole universe. Yashya Vachikam, whose language is the world's language. Sarva Vangmayam, the world's language. Aharyam Chandra Tarati. The ornaments that Shiva is adorned with are like the sun, moon, and the stars in the sky. Tvam Numa Satvika Shivam. To you we pray, the calm and the composed Lord Shiva. Before we start off dancing, it's very important to do the Namaskaram. Namaskaram is almost same in all the styles, but since I've learned Pandanalu, this is how we do the Namaskaram. Goes like this. Dhalam kuta kuti kuta kuta deginato. So, like every other subject, Bharatanatyam is also has its own syllabus. So we generally start off with the slogam, which I told you, the Guru slogam, and then we recite the Dhyana slogam. We do our Namaskaram, and then we get into the basic building blocks of Bharatanatyam, which is called as the Adavu. Like how we have alphabets in English language, Adavu forms the basics of Bharatanatyam or any classical dance form, I would say. So Adavu can be done in 3 different stages. Like we have set of Adavus for the basic, intermediate, and the advanced level. They'll be done in 3 different speeds. And moving on, we'll have this repertoire which generally Bharatanatyam follows, which starts off with Alarippu, and then we go to Jatishwaram, we go to the other items such as Padam, Javali, Varnam, Kirtanam, Tillana. So it all comes like as in when you pass different stages, you get to learn all these items. And from my point of view, I would like to throw always some light on the theoretical aspects, because that is something which all of us will be lagging behind. So I would like to stress, I would like to spend some 10-15 minutes each class to teach a little bit of theory, little bit of history of dance, and some mythological stories which I am sure kids will totally love. And there are also some theory with respect to Bharatanatyam apart from the stories, which are all the Hastas and the Vedas, which was written. And dating back, it was Natya Shastra had all the grammar of Bharatanatyam, but now all of us are following Abhinay Dharpana, and that's what I will be following as well. So when it comes to Hastas, let me tell you something. Let me give you a sample as how the Hastas look. There are single hand gestures and double hand gestures. So Asamyukta Hastas are where you use just one of your hand and then just do it, like just you use your right hand. It's enough to use just your right hand. For example, Patakam, which is just a plain opening of your fingers, Tripatakam, and you bend your ring finger, Ardhapatakam, Kartari Mukam, Mayuram. These are all some of the Asamyukta Hastas, and it will be very interesting if we also learn the meaning of all of them. For example, Patakam can be used as a gesture to indicate a flag, Janda, flag, and you can also show it to tell the way, like how you're going, the way. And Tripataka is something where you can to put the tilak. You can put your tilak, or you can draw your eyes, something like that. Yeah, and Kattari Mukha is something which is used to represent the creepers that are there. So you'll have a lot of vinyogas for all the hastas that you're learning, which will be very interesting. If you, it's very important to know how you implement them in your real life. So that's when dance becomes so interesting.
ನಾದಮುರಳಿಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾದಮುರಳಿಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾರದ ಮುನಿ ಸನ್ನುತವರ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಾದಮುರಳಿಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾರದ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಾದಂ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾರದ ಮುನಿ ಸನ್ನುತವರ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಾದಂ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರೇ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರೇ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರೇ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಂಗಳ ವರದಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರೇ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಂಗಳ ವರದಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಗಿರಿಧರ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರೇ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಂಗಳ ವರದಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಗಿರಿಧರ ಗೋಪಾಲ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತಾಂ ತತ್ತದೀಂ ಮಾಗ ಪಾಪ ಮಮ ಮಮ ಮಾದಿರಿ ಸತ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತಾಂ ತತ್ತದೀಂ ಮಾಗ ಪಾಪ ಮಮ ಮಮ ಮಾದಿರಿ ಸತ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತಾಂ ತತ್ತದೀಂ ದೈ ದೈ ದೈತ್ಯ ಕಾಲ ತಾಗಿ ತಾಂ ಮಾಗ ಪಾಮ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿತ್ಸ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತದಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತದಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಗದರಿ ತಗಜಣು ತದಗಿಡತೋಂ ನಾದಂ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾರದ ಮುನಿ ಸನ್ನುತವ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಾದಂ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲ ಮಂದಗಮನ ಜಿತವಾರಣೆ ಭವಬಂಧ ಭಯಗದ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಂದಗಮನ ಜಿತವಾರಣೆ ಭವಬಂಧ ಭಯಗದ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಂದಗಮನ ಜಿತವಾರಣೆ ಭವಬಂಧ ಭಯಗದ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ ಮನ್ಮತ ರೂಪಿಣೆ ಮುಖ ಮಂದಗಾಸ ತುತಿದಾರಿಣೆ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ ಮನ್ಮತ ರೂಪಿಣೆ ಮುಖ ಕಾರಿಣೆ ಭುವಿಕಾರಿಣೆ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಿಣೆ ಭುವಿಕಾರಿಣೆ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಿಣೆ ಭುವಿಕಾರಿಣೆ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಿಣೆ ತಜ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ತಗ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ತಗ ತಾಂ ತಜಿ புகழ் சொல்லி சொல்லி இசை பாடும்